story begins with a curse. The great sage Durvasa, known for his short temper, once offered a divine garland to Indra, the king of the Devas, gods. Indra, in a moment of arrogance, placed the garland on his elephant, Airavata, who threw it to the ground and trampled it. Enraged by this disrespect, sage Durvasa cursed Indra and all the Devas to lose their strength, fortune, and immortality. The churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan, weakened by the curse, the Devas were easily defeated by their rivals, the Asuras, demons, who took control of the heavens. The Devas sought help from Lord Vishnu, who proposed a plan. They must churn the Kshirosagra, the ocean of milk, to obtain Amrita, the nectar of immortality. This was a task too great for the Devas alone, so they had to form a temporary truce with the Asuras, promising to share the nectar with them. They set up the churning operation, times the churning rod. The massive Mount Mandara was uprooted to be used as the churning rod. Times the churning rope, Vasuki, the king of serpents, agreed to be the rope, wrapping himself around the mountain. The Devas held Vasuki's tail, and the Asuras held his head. They began to pull back and forth, churning the great ocean. The problem and the solution as they churned, a critical problem arose. The immense Mount Mandara had no base to rest upon and began to sink into the depths of the milk ocean. The churning came to a halt, and all their efforts were about to be in vain. To save the situation and provide a stable foundation, Lord Vishnu took the form of a giant tortoise, the Kurma. He dived deep into the ocean, positioned himself directly beneath the sinking mountain, and supported its entire weight on his massive, divine shell. With this unshakable foundation, the mountain was stable, and the Devas and Asuras could resume churning. The emergence of treasures with Kurm supporting the mountain, the churning continued for centuries and produced many divine treasures, including times Halhala, a deadly poison that threatened to destroy the universe. Lord Shiva consumed it to save creation, which turned his throat blue, giving him the name Neelkant. Times Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of fortune, who emerged and chose Lord Vishnu as her eternal consort. Times Dhanvantari, the divine physician, who finally emerged holding the pot of Amrita. Ultimately, Lord Vishnu also took the form of Mohini to trick the Asuras and ensure only the Devas received the nectar, restoring their power and the balance of the cosmos. The role of the Kurma Avatar was the critical, supportive foundation that made this entire cosmic event possible.